India. Kindly pay attention as we take you through the safety instructions. Note that the location of the safety equipment on this aircraft may vary from other aircraft. To fasten your seatbelt, insert the metal tip into the buckle and pull the strap. To unfasten, lift the flap and pull the ends apart. Business class guests should pull the shoulder strap and secure it in the seatbelt attachment below. Please place all cabin baggage in the overhead compartment or underneath your seats, except in the exit row. Ensure your seats are upright, tray tables are closed, and window shades are open during takeoff and landing. Use of large electronic devices like laptops is not permitted during takeoff and landing. Small devices like mobile phones may be used only in flight mode. Smoking and use of e-cigarettes is not permitted on the aircraft. Tampering with lavatory smoke detector is prohibited. There are 8 emergency exits on this aircraft. Please locate the one closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, emergency lighting will guide you to your closest exit and slide. A loss of cabin pressure, oxygen masks will drop from the panels above you. Pull the oxygen mask, wear it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Secure your mask before assisting others. Life vests are kept under your seats. In the first row of premium economy, they are kept between the seats. In the unlikely event of a water landing, slip the life vest over your head and tie the strap around your waist. Pull the red toggle to inflate your life vest just before leaving the aircraft. If it fails to inflate, blow into the tube. The light on the life vest will automatically get activated when it touches water. Please review the safety instruction card placed in the seat pocket. Thank you for choosing to fly with Air India.